I think I would, unless you just want to
I
do it
think,
all
I
by
think I
hand.
just want to, yeah. I'll have the brush here if I need it.
Let me hold it up while you
Okay.
work.
Is that light okay or no?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Now, see, you probably will be able to see more from this side,
Okay.
maybe?
Yeah. Let's try that. Excuse me. Okay.
Go. Yeah, they got a little cool there. Not much.
There is a honeycomb.
They were setting up house.
They what?
They were
setting
setting
up
up.
house?
I need to have the knife.
Where's the knife? In the bag?
It's in the orange bucket.
Okay, let me.
I got it.
You got it. Okay. Put that down
And
here.
then also I need the cloth that's in that bucket.
What's that sound?
Bzzz.
Actually, it's not a bad sound. You want the black handled knife?
Black handled knife and then the
Cloth.
little cloth. So I'm going to cover up part of this so the pheromone of the queen. Where are you? Yeah, put that over part of this.
Here.
Okay, thank you. Then by looking at their behavior, the queen is still up here.
I'm helping you from down
Okay.
below.
Okay. I'm glad it's the nuke because then I can.
Ooh. Hiding back there, weren't they?
Okay, now we need the brush.
1 second.
Let's see where it is. Thank you. Okay, lower it down a little bit.
Go, let it loose.
Okay. Down to the ledge, maybe.
Is the queen still out there?
Don't know yet. Queen will try to run to the darkness.
Oh, should I turn the light off then?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay here. We're just trying to.
How long do you think they've been there?
I didn't hear you, just a sec.
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you. I think she's in the corner there with the others. Yeah, she's probably sneaking up underneath
Maybe,
there.
I don't know, she might. So I might need to get the smoker.
Where do you think she might be?
Let me see, I'm just trying to see behavior. She might be, I might have gone up behind this wood.
Oh.
Why do I see?
That would kind of make
Okay,
sense.
now I'm seeing right here,
What you got?
fanning, fanning, good. Good,
Come on, girl.
okay.
Hmm?
I think Mama's in the box.
Okay.
So then, if that's the case, these other bees will go in there with her.
Hey, getting close to us.
So let me,
Back here.
Yeah.
I've got the box.
okay, let me get down here. Just
Yeah.
gotta,
Just go ahead and let go.
our gloves are so funky in
You guys are kind of like,
here. Okay, and then the brush I have up there. I have two brushes, so let me get the second one.
I was just asking, how long do you think they've been in there?
probably about a week.
Maybe a
Yeah,
week.
I think so. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I mean,
It
I had
don't
this.
take long for them to decide, oh,
Yeah, the fact that they were building home
Yeah.
is they were setting up shop. They were
Yeah.
going to stay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then
So
if,
it's important that we got them out. Huh?
yes, because if you hadn't noticed this, within a month you would open this up and they would be this long.
Yeah.
And she would have laid babies. They would have hatched after 21 days, and you would be having
An infestation.
a bigger problem. A bigger problem.
These guys aren't home. Go ahead and do what you're doing.
You're not going to the box? What would you want me to do?
Flick them off. We're blowing
Are
them
they
off with
coming
your
over to
breath.
you?
These guys are not too bad.
Uh-uh.
They're not very aggressive.
No.
Good. Well, this is a nice home.